Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PMCE. A big thank you to each one of you who have trusted me and subscribed to my channel. I have completed the topic number concepts for class 1 to 5. I have a total of 53 videos in my channel for the topic number concepts from class 1 to 5. The link to the playlist containing the videos for class 1 to class 5 number concepts is given below in the description box of this video. You may also visit the channel homepage to view the playlist containing the videos for number concepts from class 1 to class 5. The link to the channel homepage is also given below in the description box. Dear viewers, in my channel, I'll be dealing with the following 7 mathematical concepts: number concepts, mathematical operations on numbers, shapes and patterns, time, money, measurements, and data handling. Among these, I've completed the topic number concepts for class 1 to class 5. Next, I'll be starting with the topic mathematical operations on numbers for class 1 to 5. The remaining topics listed over here will also be dealt with in my upcoming videos. So in my channel, you can expect the following: videos related to the 7 mathematical concepts from class 1 to class 5, and there will be 2 videos every week. So dear viewers, if you have not subscribed to my channel so far, please hit that subscribe button, as it definitely adds value to my channel. And I assure you that it will be a value add to you also. Do not forget to tap on the bell button and choose the all option to get regular notifications of all the new videos that I make in my channel. Thank you. See you soon.